is what you see when you log into your account in Adobe Spark on a laptop. You can press Home button to see. Oh, this is actually a home screen. So you can press Projects to see what projects you have been working on. If you would like to add a new project, you press plus. And there is a choice for you. You can choose a web page or a video, for example. I'm going to choose an Instagram post. It's called Instagram post, but you actually can change the format later so it becomes Twitter post, for example. So you see here, you can use templates available for you. You can search text and photos and icons on the left-hand side. I'm going to start from scratch and I'm going to go to the right-hand side of the screen and click Design. I click Design and you can see some suggestions already to use. You can choose one of them if you think that it's what you would like to create. I can click Background, and here I can also choose the way my post will look like. For example, let's say I would like to talk about physical and chemical change, and I'm looking for what can be a suitable layout, background. Okay, let's say I would like this one. Then you can play around with it and change whatever you like. I'm going to add text to it. Add your text. So I'm going to write here, double click on the text and change. Then I would like to add a text to this white rectangle on top, and that will be physical. Then I would like to add the text to the rectangle at the bottom, and double click and I will write chemical. And then you can play around with the font. So change on the right, I would like it to be a little bit bigger, and I can actually enter the number, let's say 150. Click enter. You can also move your text on the screen. You can tag on the corner to make it larger as well. Okay, physical change. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's make it centered. Physical change, chemical change. I would like to explain what they are. So here in this square, I'm going to add a text again. So physical change. So I would like it to be here. And then I will make it smaller. Chemical formula stays the same. And I would like to make it smaller, maybe let's say 70. It will work for now. Okay, now I would like to add a text to this bottom square, and I will write chemical formula changes. And the top square was font size was 70, so I'm going to make this 72, and I'm going to place it in the middle of the square. Okay, maybe I'm going to check, and maybe there are some icons that can be useful in my situation. So at the left side, I click icons and just trying to physical change, to search this word physical change. Let's see. No results like that. Maybe then physical change is melting. Do they have something for that? melting. Okay, so and you see this, I like this one, so I will take this one and I will place it here for now. Here. Physical change. I can make it the image a little bit smaller, maybe, and then maybe physical, something like that. Make the image here. Good. So physical change. This one I don't need. I click and I delete. Click delete. Good. So then maybe I will try and see something about chemical reaction. For example, whether or not they have it here. Oh, that's right. So they have some probably good icons here. You scroll down, you think about what the icons are, you choose whichever icon you like. Maybe I like this icon, so it appears here, and then I'll want to move it down. Okay, you see that oh, sorry. So you see, I deleted the one that I wanted. So I put this back, and then I'm going to look for icon again. So chemical reaction, it stays here. Okay, maybe I'll take this one. Right now it's a little bit bigger, so let's make it smaller. You can always increase the size of the image so it's more convenient to work with. Let's see, so maybe chemical can go here, and this is my icon. So I change it the size again. So okay, it looks good for me for now. So let's see, I'm happy with that, and I can always go here and let's say download it, and download as JPG, and if you click start downloading, it will download to your computer. You can also share, click share, then you will publish, and you can share it with the world. So one more thing that we need to touch on is Resize button on the right. Again, my goal was to create a Twitter post. Right now I chose Instagram post, so I click Resize, and you see here that it's Instagram, but I don't want it. So I scroll down and I'm looking for Twitter. I click Twitter. You see, when I click Twitter, it changes. So now I need to make sure that I work on and make it look better. So I increase this width, and then I increase this width, and then maybe I can decrease this a little bit and move the words here. If I want to keep the same layout as I created before, maybe a little bit like that, and I move the text in the center, or maybe like that layout better. This one maybe I move in the center of this bottom rectangle. Chemical change again, maybe at the center looks nice. The icon now can be a little bit bigger, and I place it, let's say like that, here. Okay, so you look at your post again, you like it, you click download, and you download it, and then you can post it on your Twitter account, or you can share it with other people. Good luck exploring Adobe Spark, and I'm looking forward to see your projects.